I wanted to take this opportunity as a moment to help contractors so they can, this is a teachable moment is what this is. So aprons of driveways always break, and I'm going to explain why. So you see how the curb just traps the water? You don't want to put sand or any kind of rock down. Some of the building departments require it, but to be honest with you, now some of the building departments are saying, hey, we want the concrete, we want it poured right on the clay. If you can pour your concrete right on the clay, this can't happen. But if you got a pocket of stone or sand, you can see the sand's kind of running over the curb. This is not our work. Again, we just had some rain. This crew is rained off of the job, and I just thought this is a good opportunity to show contractors something. So we would run a pipe underneath that apron, and then we go under the curb, core in, done. So no more water, no more problems. You're not going to have the apron heaving, but aprons are always all busted up, and this is why. Just like I said, I was driving by it and thought, for some bonus footage, here's a teachable moment for you guys.